See, out of this is a church. This is a church, and something amazing here. We have three different, and even this is also a church. This one is also a church, and this one is also a church, and there is another one which is there, is also a church. There are three different churches here around, and different religions. You need to get me well. I'm not saying they are the same, but they are different religions with a different churches. So you will have a choice, and it will depend on which religion you are. Like this one is a church, Minevam. The name of it is Minevam. They are all having a beautiful garden in front of their churches. Wow, so they have closed the way. There was a way over there before, but they have all fencing. They have already fenced them. They have fenced them, and you can't have a way to pass. So I decided to go and close all the way behind, so I could just reach the where I want to pass is in the other way, which is somewhere behind of all these places. I need to take this way, and this is the entrance for this church also. This is the main entrance. This one is the main entrance for this church, and the other church, the entrance is over there. And this one you enjoy with a beautiful garden in front of it. Now the sun is out, and it is so amazing. The sand here in East Province, Nyamata, the sand is very strong. It will dry water direct. You can't even think we are having a kind of lot of rain, guys. It was a lot of rain, but now it is what it is. We are now entering in a rainy season. In this village, we are entering in a rainy season. We are expecting a lot of raining. We are expecting a lot of rain. So the rain is a blessing, and it's also time for plants. Plants also need a rain, and the farmers, they're also always playing for their plants to get rain. I also play for that, so we can get more things, because that is where the source of needs for everyone, everything, everywhere. Food are blessings also. So amazing. These are neighbors' woods here around. All of these are neighbors' woods. All the way I'm passing now, you will be seeing some similar ways I'm passing there. They will be looking the same as the other the other videos I've already made. You can see I'm also passing the same kind of the same way. Somehow they are looking same, but actually they are not same ways. It's because many ways here are very connected. Many ways are all connected here, and yeah, you can just pass the way, and when you close to the other way, it will be look similar, like it will all look same. Wow, this place is so good. This is a good place, and this is in the middle one is a plot. It's empty, and there's a neighborhood here around. You see? Wow. So I'm not going to keep taking all this way. I have to pass in the middle way, which is look like this. And from here to town center, just a few minutes, and I'm passing through in the someone compound, someone land, but it's fine. See? Wow, so beautiful. And kindly, I'm keep trying to keep moving forward, making things look better day by day. And yeah, I need to use this way. There are different ways. There are this one. If you keep taking this one, it will take you to the main road somewhere there, and it's just near to town center. That's we go. Let's just use the other sideways, which is over here. Is there? I don't think here there is a way. I don't think here there is a way, of course. Seriously. I don't think here there is a way because I can see there somehow closed. All these places just neighborhood who they are all living near to town center. Town center is not far. It's just over there. Town center is somewhere here there. Like if you reach here, there is a main street. It will take you again to the town center. Like from here to town center, when you are walking, just walking, guys, it will take you, uh, let's say 6 minutes. You will be in town center, and this is also neighborhoods. If you keep going there down, they're all neighborhood here around in Nyamata, and it's also near to town center. As I've already said that, so we use this middle way again, and for the muds here in the street, it is even the land here has tried hard itself because it was a lot of raining. It was a lot of raining all night, but the sand here it will dry all the water direct. Like you can't see the water in the ways when you are passing, and yeah, it is how it is, and it is just how it's supposed to be because no one can stop rain. We have to accept the rain because it's also blessing. Rain is a blessing, guys. Yeah. And these are also neighborhood here around. So beautiful, so amazing. You can see how the buildings are so big, are so they are all modern houses. Yeah, things here are so are better for even the development is moving so fast here. And as you can see, it is in the village of Nyamata, and is doing well, is doing their best. It's something like we need to, yeah, we want to appreciate our readers. They are letting and they are showing us the way, showing us the way, so better things could happen in the easy way for everyone. So so amazing, so amazing, guys. None se wowe bigize ibiki? Yeah. Yeah, I just meet a friend to greet, so he can be sometimes. This is his neighborhood. He's living around here. So amazing. And I can see these two plots. This one is empty, and there's a neighborhood. All of these are all neighborhoods. Wow, so amazing. And this one is also look like this. It's empty. People they negotiate. People they make a deal. People they can look something like they are something come through a deal. And if you can see the empty spaces like this, it means in the future there will be something there. Like I will not say that is just for sale, but it's always happen by making, by through negotiating. Yeah, because many places here they are free, like as you can see, and they are waiting for. They're still waiting. And this place is so amazing. Wow. You see? Wow. This place is huge and is well developed with the beautiful houses, big houses. And that we make this way that we make it, I think, because they are now preparing this water flows, raining water flows. Like if it's raining, the water will pass all the ways here, and depend by season. Maybe they are still waiting, but they will make this way. Let's hope that they will make it in the future. And, yeah, so amazing here in Nyamata. Day by day, development is good looking, and something good is everyone is able to make environment look better. So, like you can see the flowers outside on the streets. So good. Yeah.